We're with Jan Eischacker, Director of Offshore at UniCredit Bank. Jan, what is the banking industry's view on the offshore markets today?
I think the offshore industry is doing well. The fundamentals have been pretty good over the last years. The oil price is high, and therefore the oil companies are continuing to spend money to find oil. And E&P spending has been on the increase during 2010 and 2011, and this is driving investments in the offshore industry, and the subcontractors such as drilling companies or the offshore services vessels companies, FPSO companies as well, are doing well, having good results and continuing to invest in new projects.
What is your view on how the global financial crisis will affect the offshore industry, especially with respect to how they will be able to seek funding in the future?
I think the banks are reassessing where they want to invest, and the offshore industry is doing well, as we just said. The fundamentals are strong, and therefore the banks are eager to extend financing to the offshore industry. And during this year, which is a challenging year, we have seen companies tapping the equity markets, the bond markets, as well as traditional banking funding successfully. So I think that companies will continue to be able to access funding despite the global financial crisis.
So would you say then that the offshore market is more of a darling to the banks right now than the other sectors of commercial shipping?
Definitely so, Jonathan. I think banks which are involved in shipping and offshore are currently increasing their exposure to the offshore industry and probably reducing their exposure to the shipping segment. The fundamentals are strong for offshore, and banks are currently looking at new projects to fund offshore companies.